Storm Team Weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Josh Johns.
Welcome back, everyone. So tomorrow is the first day of spring.
It is the first day of spring, and we're starting to feel a little bit more spring-like, but got a front on the way tonight, Mariah. It won't make a huge difference, but it'll cool us off a little bit for tomorrow. Take a look at how today worked out on the sky cam on the time-lapse there. You'll see we had a few clouds early in the morning, then plenty of sunshine this afternoon. It was a very sunny day. It was also a pretty nice day if you were able to get outside. Temperatures got up into the upper 60s, and now we're watching the sun head towards sunset, which, by the way, is going to occur sometime around 7:47 or 7:51 tonight. So shortly after 7:45, you'll start to see that sunset. We got up to a high of 70 today. Our low was 40. Should be at 72 and 45 this time of year, but we have been as warm as 94 and 1994 and 14 degrees. It's our coldest temperature on today, going back all the way to 1927. We aren't going to be heading towards any of those records anytime soon. In fact, we'll be closer to averages, but we've got a weak front coming in tonight. That'll increase the cloud cover a little bit. It'll also make for a cooler day on Wednesday. Behind that, warm and moist air returns, eventually setting us up for the potential for a few showers and thunderstorms this weekend. Look at these temperatures. You need to get outside if you haven't already. It's 69 currently in Brady, also in Junction, 68 right now in Sonora. San Angelo, we're checking in at 70 degrees, 70 also in Robert Lee, 68 in Broughton, Barnhart, and 72 right now in Merced. The dew points are currently in the 20s, so this is a very dry, nice air. It's a beautiful day to get outside, and that dry air, unfortunately, cools off a little bit quicker than moist air, so tonight temperatures will drop fast initially, but we still won't get down into the 40s until we get after around midnight. Winds right now out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour ahead of that cold front, which is sitting to our north. Clear skies currently on the live radar network, and the clear skies will hang around at least until that front arrives. Here is that front. It's coming into the panhandle, bringing a few showers with it over there between Lubbock and Amarillo, and that continues diving to the south as we go through the night tonight. The reason being is we finally got a low pressure system that is formed on the end of that thing, and so that front's getting a little bit more of a push. That's why it's going to pass through. But again, it is weak, so it'll quickly be overcome by that warm air. Dry air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere right now, so I don't think our rain chances are very high tonight. I've only got it at about a 10% chance of rain tonight. Meanwhile, our next storm system's out here organizing off to the west of California. This one arrives as we go into the weekend, and with it brings some pretty significant rain chances. Watch it on our atmospheric energy map, because you'll see that first front slide through tonight. Again, a little bit of energy along it may spark a shower or maybe some light drizzle out ahead of it, maybe from Dallas and then down into our southern counties. The best chances will be south of that cold front, and then the main disturbance arrives as we go Friday night into Saturday. That's when our best chance of rain will be. Notice how it kind of hangs around a little bit on Saturday too, potentially into Sunday. I'm not going to rule out a shower on Sunday, but I don't have any rain chances, and then all that energy shifts off to the east, bringing back a warmer start to the new week after a cold front comes through. So we'll see this kind of up and down temperatures hanging around. But here's the rain chances I have right now. I've lowered them a bit from last night, and the reason being is because we aren't seeing as strong of a signal of heavy rain here in the Concho Valley. Light rain still possible. A 10% chance on Wednesday. Will be dry Thursday. 30% chance on Friday. Crank it up to a 40% chance Friday night into Saturday morning. That's our best shot of rain right now. And then a 30% chance on Saturday. Sunday right now looks dry, and so does Monday. It'll be a nice end to the weekend. Tonight, though, temperatures will be on the slightly cool side. Should be at 45 this time of year. We'll be pretty much near that. 46 in San Angelo. Record, by the way, was 17 in 1965. And then for Wednesday, I've got a high of 61. Should be at 72 this time of year. And again, we've been as warm as the 90s, but a little bit below average on the way for Wednesday thanks to that weak cold front that's coming in tonight and into Wednesday morning. Take a look at your extended forecast, because we're going to see those temperatures slowly rise after that front. We'll be at 70 degrees Thursday, and then some more cloud cover works in for Friday. As a result, we're only going to be in the 60s. The best chance of rain Friday night into Saturday, and then Saturday we're in the 70s, because on the backside of that rain we'll get some drier, warmer air working in, setting us up for a warm day on Sunday, and then that front arrives to cool us off as we start off the new week. And we'll be right back.